The Justice Department says the legal camp of Arnie Teves is buying more time to prevent his extradition. According to the DOJ, Teves' camp contested the extradition ruling of Timor-Leste on procedural grounds. This means that the Philippine government will have to present its evidence on the extradition case again. Despite this, the DOJ expressed determination in bringing back Teves into the country. He is being tagged as the alleged mastermind behind the killing of Negros Oriental Governor Roel Degamo.
Feeling ko dito lang sa legal team ni Teves, ang tawag dito, buying time lang sila.
Oo nga, they're
Diba?
trying to delay it. Hopefully they're going to file other means. Siguro they're looking at political asylum. Pero 'di ba ang Timor-Leste kasi is medyo close yung mga heads of state nila with PBBM kasi nag-usap na sila before, 'di ba? Although wala tayong direct extradition, 'di ba? Kung may magandang ties naman tayo with another country, baka mapadali tayo.
Parang ayun nga, procedural lang yung ginagawa nila kasi nga if you will think about it, and also this is confirmed by the DOJ Secretary Boying Remulla, yung unang case nila, yung hearing about extradition, granted na ng Teves. It's just that, kumbaga, if ever, I don't know if that's the correct term, yung nag-appeal sila. Kaya ngayon, pangalawang hearing na yung mangyayari.
Daming hinahabol ng
Pero
gobyerno.
Pero delaying tactics to feeling ko
Daming hinahabol noon, finding Kibuloy and finding Alice.
Oh.
Ngayon, bringing Arnie home and looking for Harry.
Oo.
Daming movie type of scenarios happening.
Pero kasi ang going back din nga dito sa legal team ni former Representative Teves, especially kay Attorney Topacio, sabi nga niya, pinipilit niya yung unang naging procedure na hingi ng Pilipinas na ma-extradite si Teves dito sa atin, pabalik sa atin, ay null and void. Pero sinasabi nga ng DOJ, hindi. Talo nga kayo sa umpise, kaya kayo nagkakaroon ulit ng pangalawang hearing.
Okay, pero hindi porket may binantayan tayo at on the news recently where there's 4 people, kailangan tutukan din natin ang prices of gasoline, prices of food. Madaming issues pa that are very important na nakakalimutan na natin because of these people who refuse to submit themselves to justice.